It's happening. SpaceX Starship SN20 is launching to orbit. It is critical that the SN20 be transported to space since it will improve upon the SN15. According to sources, it will be the first SpaceX rocket to launch and reach a maximum altitude of 32,000 feet in the sky. According to a source, one of the technological achievements expected in the trip is landing the spacecraft in one piece. Hey guys, welcome back to your only tech channel, Space News Today, that provides you everything you need to know. In today's video, we are going to tell you about SpaceX's next achievement that would leave everyone stunned. When will SpaceX's Starship SN20 take to the skies? This comes after Elon Musk and his fellow billionaires began the race to space by investing in space. The spacecraft, which is set to launch in the next few weeks, will be the successor to the SN15. The Boca Chica site where rockets blast off to space is a likely location for the launch. This time, the Super Heavy Booster BN4 rocket will be used. Preparations to launch a full Starship system into orbit are still underway, according to SpaceX. The Federal Communications Commission, or FCC, has received their flight plans, indicating that the SN20 launch is approaching. The other versions, SN8, SN9, SN10, and SN11, all had the same mission, but they all crashed to the ground in a huge flame. Taking into account previous botched landings, the space agency is optimistic that SN20 will be able to land safely. It will be possible to create commercial and reusable rockets for space commerce if this goal is met. Many people are hoping for good news on the upcoming SpaceX mission after the SN15 successfully launched on May 5th. If Elon Musk's SpaceX Starship SN20 launches successful, it will be a game changer. Including a new component, the Super Heavy Booster, which is connected to the Starship SN20, will be used for the first time on the next mission. It's a 230-foot tall prototype known as the BN4. They will be the whole Starship when attached to the main spacecraft, reaching a total height of 400 feet in its full configuration. However, the machine is in the manufacturing stage according to the source, and is near to completion. Now the question we have all been waiting for, will there be a launch date soon? It's a mystery. The company proposed a launch window of June to December 2021 in its application to the FCC. Musk hinted on Twitter in August 2021 that the flight is just around the corner. First orbit stack of Starship should be ready for flight in a few weeks, pending only regulatory approval. Although it sounds fantastic, the ship has already fallen behind schedule. Musk said in September 2019 that an orbital flight test might happen in a matter of months. Gwen Shotwell, the business's president, stated in June 2021 that the company was aiming for July for its first orbital flight. "I'm hoping we will make it," Shotwell said at a National Space Society International Space Development Conference. But we all know this is challenging. Moreover, CNN stated that the company had not yet received authorization from the Federal Aviation Administration for the flight that month. Prior to that flight, the company had a run-in with the organization, most notably over a launch tower that the organization alleges does not have official authority. If the spacecraft takes off anytime near, roads in Cameron County will be closed, and flights in and out will be limited, according to the New York Post. The danger of debris if the craft explodes in mid-flight is another precaution. There's no guarantee that the launch will go smoothly. Last Monday through Thursday, July 12th, various roadways were closed as a precaution for public safety. The beach and road restrictions will take place on Monday from 12 to 8 p.m., Tuesday from 12 to 10 p.m., and Wednesday and Tuesday from 12 to 8 p.m. For the rest of the week, all flights in Cameron County have been canceled. As a result, it's possible that SN20 will launch soon. The majority of the time, these aircraft cancellations and road closures are not required on short notice. The space agency will continue to monitor the situation until the SN20 is ready to launch its next mission. The exact date of the vehicle's unveiling is unknown, though confirmed dates will be given at the last minute. The BN4 booster was planned to be completed by the end of July. The FCC stated that the goal is to achieve a smooth landing with the entire Starship. The launch of the SpaceX Starship SN20 is still in doubt, but if it goes through, it will be a technical victory for multiple-use spacecraft. Musk also tweeted that Booster 3 would probably host a static fire. This test, which is required for any launch, burns the rocket's engines while the vehicle remains stationary. It's worth noting that SpaceX has no intention of launching Booster 3. "We're changing much of design from 3 to 4, Musk wrote on Twitter on June 30th. Booster 3 was very hard to build. Expect especially rapid evolution in first 10 boosters and first 30 ships. Fans have speculated that the first orbital flight may feature some Elon Musk jokes. The SN20 ship and Booster 4 prototypes are expected to be used in the test, which could be a reference to 420. Another possible joke is that the Booster 3 replica now standing on the pad measures 69 meters. Musk, on the other hand, claimed on Twitter that it was all pure coincidence, despite the fact that he has made those jokes previously. So what is your take on this matter? Tell us in the comments. If you want to see our upcoming videos, ring the bell icon, and don't forget to like our video as well. That's all from my side. Thanks for watching.